Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Infinity Drones. And today I've got some very exciting news. We are well on our way to 10,000 subscribers, as you guys can see. And the wonderful guys at DroneX have given me 3 licenses to give away once we hit that 10,000 mark. So this little video is going to be a video that you guys can inspect and check out. There's going to be 3 little questions I'm going to ask and you guys to investigate the DroneX website with. And then you guys can comment the answer below. And what's going to be done then is I'll be using a YouTube comment picker. It'll check if you are subscribed to the channel and also if your answers are obviously correct. There will be 3 different licenses that will be issued, and I'm just going to jump over to the DroneX website to give you guys a bit more of an idea of what we are looking for. So let me jump over. DroneX website is on the toolbar at the top, as you guys can see, and you will obviously open up the main page over here. And there's a bunch of information that you guys must go through. Obviously, what is DroneX? What is the purpose of it? In actual fact, it's just so simple. You can just read on the homepage. Everything's over there. But for most people, no-fly zone removal, altitude removal will be the most important ones for them. Some guys that are outside of the US, obviously, they would like to have FCC mode enabled. That's basically giving you a much stronger output of your range, up to 5 times in many cases, as you guys can see some information. So this website is just wonderful because it's got a host of information for you. So this channel has lots of tutorials on how to use DroneX and the new features and stuff like that. But many people don't know, where to get help from. So let me just run through that, and then that'll be part of the questions for your, the prizes that can be won. So if you are on the DroneX website, we would like to know, how do you know that your drone is in FCC mode? And also, where would you go on this page if you wanted to just send a ticket to the DroneX team? And then lastly, I would like to know how many drones are currently supported by the new DroneHacks version 2 tool. So they've just released a new version. It supports a bunch of new drones like the Mavic 3, the Air 3, the Mini 3, and a bunch of stuff like that. But there's a list, and you just need to tell me how many drones are currently supported by the version 2 app. All 3 answers, then please leave a comment below, as well as be subscribed to the channel. And naturally, you need to have a DroneX account because we will need to assign the license to your account. And then we will also need to know for which drone do you need the license for, since there are only 3 licenses that will be given out, one for the Mavic 3 series, one for the Air 3 series, and then a regular license, the Air 3 series actually, then a regular license, which are for drones like the Mini 3, the Mavic 2, the Air 2, Air 2S, those series drones. Then we can assign obviously the correct license. Now please guys, remember, we are trying to give as much of this information out so you guys do not make a mistake. All of the contents on the website. Just make sure that you answer correctly and also leave a comment below with the correct information. Once I go through the comments using a YouTube comment picker, it'll obviously check if you are subscribed and those items. Then I will reply to your message in the comment below. You will then need to go to my YouTube page. You can see there's my Instagram account. You will need to then pop me a message on Instagram with your email address. Now, obviously, you will need to mention what your YouTube name is, as well as your email address, so that I can verify the both of them. And then naturally, we will then be able to issue the license to your account. Now, with all that said, all you need to do is have a DroneX account, be subscribed to the channel, answer the 3 questions correctly, and then once I've replied to your comment on my 10,000 subscriber video, so please be subscribed, obviously have your notifications enabled, then you will need to contact me via Instagram to get your email address to me so that we can forward the correct information to the DroneX team. Okay guys, that's it. If you guys have any questions, obviously leave it in the comments below, and yeah guys, good luck finding all the answers on the channel.